Previously, we talked about quality of light as well as direction of light, and now we're going to combine those two so that you guys can take control of the shapes and patterns in your images. These videos are organized as a playlist so that you can easily navigate learning off-camera flash. The playlist and all video topics are linked in the description below if you want to navigate to a different part. My channel is sponsored by Adorama, which buys me the time to create these type of videos without the influence from any specific camera brand. I personally shop at Adorama for their great deals on a wide selection of products, as well as their support of those products down the road. So if you end up interested in any of the equipment used in this video, you can find links to those in the description below. So we've now discussed how the quality of light is going to affect the light on your subject in an image, and we've also discussed how direction lets you take even more control. So let's start bringing those two together. It's a combination of quality of light and direction of light that come together and control shape and define patterns of light on your subject. There are a few very common light patterns that we use for portrait photography. First, there's broad light and short light. Broad light is when you photograph the bright side of someone's face, or the same side as is being lit by flash. Because this means the flash is on the same side of the face as the camera, this will result in less shadows being visible. Broad light is ideal when you want to represent the full size of a face or body in an image. Short light is the opposite. It's when you're photographing from the dark side of the subject or the side that is opposite where your flash is positioned. This means you will capture a lot more shadows and show a lot more shape. Short light is great for slimming a body or face. Loop lighting kind of goes back to where we talked about a standard flash position being at 5 or 7 o'clock. Loop lighting is named after the loop shadow that appears underneath the nose when the flash is in this position. Rembrandt lighting is similar to the loop in that there is a downward cast shadow underneath the nose. However, with Rembrandt lighting, the light has to be off to the side a little bit more to the point where the nose shadow reaches the cheek shadow. And when that nose shadow connects with the cheek shadow, what happens is you create a triangle underneath the eye when you're photographing the subject from the short side. If we take the light even further to the side, we're eventually going to get to what's called split lighting. Split lighting is named because there's a clear split right down the middle of the face. Once you get past the 3 p.m. or the 9 p.m., I guess if we're talking about the other side, we're basically into hair light and kicker light territory where we're accenting the back of our subject to either separate them from the background or accent a feature on the side or back of their head. Coming back front and center at 6 p.m. would be butterfly lighting, when we're slightly above the subject but we're illuminating the entire front of the face. What happens is you get these shadows that are cast slightly downward, but a majority of the face is lit well. This isn't really broad or short lighting as you're illuminating the entire face. There will be minor shadows underneath the chin, underneath the nose, and underneath the brow, most notably the butterfly shaped shadow that occurs underneath the nose, making this an extremely popular lighting setup for beauty work. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I really hope that you learned something new about flash photography. I suggest going and practicing the concepts that you just learned, but if you feel that you've already got a good grasp on it, then go ahead and proceed to the next video, which you can find in the end screen or in the description below. If you're enjoying my channel and you want to see more, then please hit that subscribe button and click the bell if you'd like notifications for when I post new videos. Until next time, keep on shooting.